Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone showing battery health on service. It means battery health is less than 75% and you need to be replace iPhone battery. If you are also facing that issue, then keep watching this video until the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Now we go for solution number 2. Try the force restart. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. Now we go for solution number 3. First launch settings, then tap battery and enable low power mode. Now we go for solution number 4. First launch settings, then tap general and tap background app refresh and tap again background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. Now we go for solution number 5. Charge your iPhone with the Apple approved charger. Finally, we go for solution number 6. Reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. For that, first launch settings, then tap on general. Now tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap reset. Tap again reset all settings. Here iPhone passcode required and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. If none of these working, then go to iPhone service center. Maybe you need to replace iPhone battery. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.